Hello friends. In this video, we will be discussing about Garvare High Tech Films. It is only BSE listed stock. So let's start with the technical and fundamental analysis of the company. So I have opened the technical chart right now. I have opened the monthly chart. We will be doing a multi-time frame analysis of Garvare High Tech Films. So as you can see, the stock was in consolidation for around 11 years, and after this consolidation the stock had given a breakout above this level in October 20, which is around 8 to 9 months back. And after this breakout, the stock had given a one-sided rally from this level, which was the rally was around 220%, which means the stock had become almost 3.2x after this breakout. So, and this breakout was also strong because the volumes here were very high, above the average. So the breakout had sustained and the stock had rallied. Now, many of the viewers would have missed this stock, and basically the stock company is also good. So how to trade in this particular company, we will check in this particular chart now. So I am changing the time frame from monthly to daily. So this was the breakout region. This is the breakout retest, and the stock had then rallied. So now, if you see, stock is moving in this particular channel. I am drawing all the lines live now. So this is the support for the stock, and if I draw resistance for this, then so in this parallel channel, the stock is currently moving right now, and if we see, so in this parallel channel, the stock is moving, and now probably a trader should wait for the support to get tested. So if suppose the stock comes down to around 800 levels, so a trader can buy at that time. It will be a low risk buying opportunity for the trader. And as you can see, the stock had tested this support and resistance level multiple times. So this was the support, again this support, this support. So the support line is very strong currently, and a trader should look to buy this particular stock at around this support line, which is currently at around 800. So probably after some few more days, this line will move upwards, and the price, this line value will change and move upward. So one can track this particular stock, and if it hits this particular line, and if suppose some reversal candle is formed like a bullish engulfing or a hammer or doji, then at that time a trader can look to buy this particular stock. So let's check the fundamentals now. So the current price is around 890. The book value is around 673. So the stock is like fairly valued. The PE is also very less, 16.5. If we check the profit and loss statement, then the company's net sales is increasing year on year, as you can see here, and also the net profit is increasing. EPS is also increasing. The company is paying dividend to its investor. If you check the balance sheet, then the company's borrowings had reduced from 2010 till now. If we check it, it is almost a debt-free company, having an only 97 borrowings and the reserves at 115,440, which means the company is fundamentally strong. If we check the investors holding, then promoter is holding around 60% stake in this. And if we check the promoter pledging, then there is no promoters pledging in this particular stock. So company is fundamentally good, and probably the those who have missed this particular breakout can wait for this support line to get retested, so they can add at that time. And probably the investors can continue to hold this stock if they have bought at lower levels. So this was all about the Garvare High Tech Films. If you have learned anything from this video, then you can subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button, as it serves the motivation for us to create more videos in future. You can follow us on Twitter and Telegram. I will share the link in the description section. Also, if you have any doubts or anything about any stocks, or if you want us to create a video on Technofunda video on any stock, then you can mention it in the comment section. We will create a video on that particular stock in coming future. That's it. There's a disclaimer also in the video. Thank you, guys.